Applying a lime wash is a quick, easy way to update a fireplace. If the bricks have soot on them, clean them first with a stiff bristle brush. The lime wash itself is a thick clay-like material which you mix with water to create the wash. The amount of water you add determines how thick or thin the wash will be. Mix the solution until it's smooth and free of all lumps. Next, use a spray bottle to dampen the bricks, one section at a time. Working from the bottom up, spread the lime wash solution onto the bricks using the stiff bristle brush or masonry brush. Be sure to get a good coat on the mortar joints as well. If necessary, use a paintbrush to cut in around the mantle or other obstacles. After about 15 or 20 minutes, you can begin distressing the bricks. Lightly spray the surface with water before using a sturdy rag to wipe off the excess paint, exposing some of the brick color. Your personal preferences will determine how much or how little you remove. Continue this process across the fireplace, working on a 2 or 3 square foot section at a time. If you aren't happy with the way it turned out, don't worry. Lime wash is removable for up to 5 days, so you can easily clean it off and try again.